Today is World Food Safety Day. This day is celebrated worldwide to draw attention to the fact that food is not only an agricultural or trade commodity, but is also a public health issue. Therefore, food safety has to be seen by the public health community as an essential public health function. The call to action for all key stakeholders on this year's World Food Safety Day is to ensure that the food we eat is safe and nutritious. Food safety must be integrated along the entire food chain from farm to table, with the three sectors: government, industry and consumers, with all the three sharing equal responsibility. It is also necessary that food safety forms an essential component of health-based nutrition policies and nutrition education. Every year on June 7th, which is the World Food Safety Day, we aim to inspire action to help prevent, detect and manage foodborne risks, and by doing so, we shall be contributing towards food security, human health, economic prosperity, market access and sustainable development. Food safety is one of the determinants of a sound and cohesive healthcare system in a country. As food chains become longer, complex and globalized, contamination of food leading to foodborne diseases is a growing concern, costing us almost $15 billion annually. By 2030, foodborne diseases are expected to rise to 150 to 177 million annually. With the resurgence of COVID-19 across the globe, there is a sharpened focus on safe food, nutrition, immunity and sustainability. Today, it has become all the more important to focus on preventive health care, as it minimizes the burden of diseases and helps in tackling the rising burden of diet-related diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, obesity and malnutrition. Improving food safety requires sustained investments in several areas, from stronger regulations to better laboratories for testing of food, more stringent enforcement of the regulations at the ground level, and surveillance along with training and capacity building of food handlers. Our country's food regulator, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, has been working in this direction and has achieved encouraging milestones through effective regulatory mechanisms and standards for food safety. Our government's flagship initiative, Eat Right India, is a national movement aimed to transform the food ecosystem of the country by ensuring safe, healthy and sustainable food for everyone. While we are all actively working towards ensuring food safety every day, celebrating World Food Safety Day gives every stakeholder an opportunity to come together, talk about the issues, think of the solutions and forecast the amount of work required for building a healthy tomorrow. I quote from the Vriddh Chanakya: "Deepo bhakshiyate dhvantam kajjalam cha prasujate yadannam bhakshiyen nityam jayate tadrishi praja." Light has always been a metaphor for good and darkness for evil and bad. So, after eating darkness, the lamp produces black soot, which is figurative of causing its own extinction. In essence, it means that a man and his character is determined by the quality of food he eats. Metaphorically taken, it means eat good, keep the body and generations healthy. This year's World Food Safety Day theme, Safe Food for a Healthy Tomorrow, highlights that the production and consumption of safe food has immediate and long-term benefits for people, the planet and the economy. Today, let's all take a pledge to share the responsibility of food safety and address the issues associated with it holistically. Wish you all good health and good eating habits.